Hey guys, it's Michaela and happy Halloween. Today we are going to play Flicker. So this time we are going to do classic mode. So let's get into this game and wait for some people to come. So let me say, hey, I am recording a video right now. If you want to be in the video, then join me in classic. Oh, it looks like they already know that I was recording and they came immediately. Thank you, Faye. Um, um, I am recording right now. Okay, so we are doing the game. I'm gonna be a girl, of course. I'm the survivor, so I try to survive. And why am I the same person from last round? Hello and welcome to Flicker. In this game, there is a good side and a murderer. Your goal is to eliminate your opponents. When the lights flicker, someone may fall. Good luck, you'll need it. Wow, it's already getting scary. I protect the person who gets attacked. Yeah, yeah, I'll do that too. If someone gets hurt, I'll be killed too. Wait, did I just say that? I didn't mean it. I didn't mean it. I want to get killed right now for some reason. Don't kill me or else. Yes, it worked. Yes, it worked. Oh my gosh. Ugh. My Oh my gosh. What happened to these people? It's guys who may be the murderer. I know it's not me. Oh, Ben's also a survivor. That's great. I don't know who it is. Annie? Yeah, I'm gonna vote Annie because Lisa thinks it's Annie. I just vote for people that other people think. Okay, so Annie. I am recording right now. Oh, so she was not the murderer? It looks like people want to know about my channel now. Click, click, whoever is my fan. Wait, where did she go? Oh my gosh, she just. Oh my gosh. Ava died. Oh, who could have said she was sick about bacon? Lisa, Lisa, I repeat, Lisa. Yes, it is Lisa. Proof. Yes. Ben said that he was the survivor. Mm, that he was, and I'm also a survivor. It's Lisa. We're voting Lisa. You'll realize I'm an investigator. Oh my gosh! It's who is lying here? Who is lying? It's not me. So who is lying? I'm choosing Ben. I don't trust him anymore. No, I'm gone. I'm gone, peeps. No, I'm gone. Who is the murderer? Show yourself. Show yourself. I see. I'm. It's actually Ben. I actually chose the right person. Ben was the murderer. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, time for another round. This is classic mode. So, there's already a few people. Mm, mm. in this. I bought my clothes mainly from Royal High. Why is she laughing out loud? That was kind of creepy. Mm. What? What's going on here? This drama! This drama! This drama! Okay, we're joining the game. Of course, I'm going to be a girl. I'm a survivor again. Woo! Let's do this. Wait, why did I teleport it to the bathroom? Hello, and welcome to Flicker again. In this game, there's a good side and a murderer. We already know that. It goes to eliminate your opponents. I'm just saying, who is my fan? I'm a YT. I'm recording right now. Mm, wait, I'm probably gonna die. I'm the main. I think I'm the main target. I'm, I'm hiding in the bathroom. If this even is the bathroom. Wait, I think. Oh, it's been 12 minutes. I think it's time to stop. Well, I hope you guys all like my video, and I'll see you next time on my video. Wait, yeah, I just sent doing. No, I'm safe. Bye, guys.